Chicka Chicka Boom Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault. Illustrated by Lois Ehlert. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. We, said D to E, F, G. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K. All on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming. L-M-N-O-P. And Q-R-S. And T-U-V. Still more. W. And XYZ. The whole alphabet up the... Oh no! Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Skit Scat Scoodle Doot. Flip Flop Flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Help us up, cried A, B, C. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D, and stubbed toe E, and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted alley-oop. Skit Scat Scoodle Doot. Flip Flop Flee. Look who's coming. It's Black-Eyed P, Q-R-S, and Loose Tooth T. Then U-V-W, Wiggle Jiggle Free. Last to come, X-Y-Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare. You can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Have an awesome day.